Hi everyone and welcome back to today's Morning Report. Charles Pros is on Monday the 14th of March with me, Rich Prayer, market analyst at Asset Markets. Let's look at cable, and we've still had this move higher. Thursday had a strong reaction. The low from the ECB in the sort of wake of the ECB was 41.16, and then it rebounded, and it's rebounded strongly. Continues to go higher and broken the 3-month downtrend now. And that sort of continues this recovery. You've got the momentum indicators which are strong as well. You've got the RSI up at 57. That is sort of pushing out to multi-month highs as well. Highest since October there. And you continue to see this recovery, and it sort of looks like it's sort of now testing this next overhead band. I mean, we had a dip above, move above the band. 44.10 is sort of where this band comes in. Bit of a pivot. It's not massively accurate, but still it worked as a bit of a pivot, and that was the reaction high there, 44.10 in late Feb, and market moved above that on Friday, but then just dipped back below it. So you didn't get the closing breakout, but still it looks like the pressure is moving on to the upside, and you could even argue, and I'm not really massively subscribing to this view, but you could argue that there is an argument for a bull flag there. So you measure the bull higher, bull run higher, then you go for the consolidation, and from that consolidation low point you then measure up again, do the same run higher, and that sort of suggests that we're going to be putting pressure on these highs as well. 45.77 is that reaction high there that we saw sort of on the 10th of Feb, and it certainly looks as though that if this does play out as a continued bull flag pattern, then we could put pressure on those levels. So having broken that downtrend, you're starting to put pressure on the upside, aren't you, on this cable chart? And you've got a nice little sort of breakout chart pattern here as well. 42.50 acted as support for lows, then a reaction high, and then has come in and supported again on the downside. So 42.50 is clearly a level that the market is looking out for. So zoom in so you can see a bit better. So you've got between 42.50 and 43.16, 43.15. So you've got about sort of 60-65 ticks worth of decent support there now, from Friday's trading. That little dips could be seen as a little chance of buy now, because you've got these positive momentum indicators configuration, RSI, nicely finding support above 30, and positively configured on the MACD lines, and also moving averages as well. So you'd say that little corrections are buying opportunities now in cable, as you're sort of going to go with this broken uptrend and continuation of this rally. And it looks pretty decent for further gains at the moment, but in terms of the longer term chart, I still am a little bit sceptical that the rally could continue, because I think it's just an unwinding move back into overhead supply really, and that overhead supply starts to coming back into earnest, sort of 46.50 area. So we could see a little bit of a continuation of this run back towards that level, but yeah, for now the positive move is with the bulls, but it'll be interesting to see how far this can continue for. But I wish you good luck in your trading today, and I'll speak to you later. Thank you.